This is Julio Alvarez, and in this video I want to share with you the results of our scalping strategies yesterday's market. Click the subscribe button below so that you can be notified when I have more content that is helpful to your investment strategies. And click the notification bell so that you can be notified right away when I release that content. Watch the video until the end so that you can fully see the results of our strategies and how you can obtain them. You can also find a link to get our Pro Scalpers strategies in the description below. Okay, so let's start with Bitcoin. We're using the symbol BTC-M20, Renko Classic with a break size of 5 and 1 day back. This is our strategy performance report. So the total net profit of the day was $3,975 with a gross profit of $5,800 and a gross loss of $1,825. The total number of trades was 251 for a percent profitable of 70.52% with 177 winning trades and 45 losing trades. For an average trade net profit of $15.84, an average winning trade of $32 with 77 cents, an average losing trade of $40 with 56 cents. This is the trades list. All the trades done by our strategy until finally getting to this net profit. Okay, our next strategy is the Nasdaq. Symbol we're using is NQM20, Renko Classic with a break size of 5 and 1 day back. This is our performance summary. The strategy made yesterday $5,977 with 60 cents and a gross profit of $12,687 with 20 cents and a gross loss of $6,809 with 60 cents. For a total number of trades of 176, a percent profitable of 26.70%. 47 winning trades and 129 losing trades, for an average trade net profit of $33 with 40 cents, and an average winning trade of $269 with 94 cents, and an average losing trade of $52 with 79 cents. These are details of the trades list on the cumulative net profit until finally getting to this net profit. Okay, our next strategy is Dow Jones Futures. Symbol we're using is YMM20, Renko Classic with a break size of 10 and 1 day back. This is our strategy performance report. Strategy made yesterday $9,781 with a gross profit of $17,099.80 and a gross loss of $7,318 with 80 cents for a profit factor of 2.34. Total number of trades was 360 for a percent profitable of 34.17%, 123 winning trades and 237 losing trades. An average trade net profit of $27.17, an average winning trade of $139.02, and an average losing trade of $30.88. This is the trades list. All the details of all the trades made by our strategy yesterday until finally getting to this net profit. Okay, next our S&P 500 futures strategy. Our symbol is ESM20, Renko Classic with a bridge size of 3, 1 day back. This is our strategy performance report. You can see our strategy made yesterday $2,470 with 80 cents, with a gross profit of $4,621 with 20 cents, and a gross loss of $2,150 with 40 cents, for a profit factor of 2.15. The total number of trades was 33, with a percent profitable of 36.36%, with 12 winning trades and 21 losing trades. For an average trade net profit of $74 with 87 cents, an average winning trade of $385 with 10 cents, an average losing trade of $102 with 40 cents. So this is the trades list, and the final net profit today was $2,470 with 80 cents. Okay, our next strategy is the Russell 2000 future strategy. The symbol we're using is RTY M20, Renko Classic with a bridge size of 2, 1 day back. And this is the result of yesterday. $1,128 with a gross profit of $2,273 with 60 cents, and a gross loss of $1,145 with 60 cents, for a profit factor of 1.98. The total number of trades was 30, for a percent profitable of 36.67%, with 11 winning trades and 19 losing trades. For an average trade net profit of $37 with 60 cents, an average winning trade of $206 with 69 cents, and an average losing trade of $60 with 29 cents. Here's the detail of all the trades done yesterday, till finally getting to this net profit of $1,128. And finally, our forex strategy. With the USD MXN pair, we're using Record Classic with a break size of 0.01 one day back. Okay, the strategy performance report. The strategy did yesterday $16,079 with 4 cents. Gross profit of $34,502 with 7 cents. And a gross loss of $18,423 with 4 cents. For a profit factor of 1.87. And the total number of trades was 616 for a percent profitable of 45.45%, 280 winning trades and 277 losing trades. For an average trade net profit of $26 with 10 cents, an average winning trade of $123 with 22 cents, an average losing trade of $66 with 51 cents. These are details of the trade list. All the trades until finally making 16,079 with 4 cents. Remember to subscribe to our email list at proscalpers.com. If you want to make this kind of money, go to proscalpers.com/buy and select your strategy. Then email your PayPal transaction ID to admin@proscalpers.com so I can send you the strategy. Click the subscribe button below so that you can be notified when I have more videos. This has been Julio Alvarez, and as always, thank you for watching.